Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting lesson lined up for you. We are going to learn how to use pronouns in Tamil through English. Pronouns are essential in any language as they help us refer to people, objects, and things without repeating their names. So, let's dive into the world of Tamil pronouns. Alright, let's kick things off with some common pronouns. First up, we have the I, which is nan in Tamil. Can you repeat after me? Nan, fantastic. I will repeat this I, nan, I, nan. Now, let's move to the you, which is நீங்கள் in Tamil. Give it a try, நீங்கள், you, நீங்கள். Now, let's move to the he, which is our in Tamil. Give it a try, our. Great. Now, let's move to the she, which is our in Tamil. Give it a try, our. Great. Now, let's move to the we, which is nam in Tamil. Give it a try, nam. Great. Now, let's move to the them, which is avargal in Tamil. Give it a try, avargal. Great. Now, let's move to the him, which is avare in Tamil. Give it a try, avare. Great. Now, let's move to the her, which is avale in Tamil. Give it a try, avale. Great. Now, let's move to the us, which is namakku in Tamil. Give it a try, namakku. Great. Now, let's move to the my, which is yen in Tamil. Give it a try, yen. Great. Now, let's move to the your, which is ungal in Tamil. Give it a try, ungal. Great. Now, let's move to the his, which is avaradu in Tamil. Give it a try, avaradu. Great. Now, let's move to the hers, which is avaradu in Tamil. Give it a try, avaradu. Great. Now, let's move to the ours, which is nammudayadu in Tamil. Give it a try, nammudayadu. Great. Now, let's move to the theirs, which is avargaludayadu in Tamil. Give it a try, avargaludayadu. Great job, everyone. Let's quickly recap what we have learned so far. I, nan, you, நீங்கள், he, our, she, our, we, நாம், them, அவர்கள், him, அவரே, her, அவளே, us, நமக்கு, my, என், your, உங்கள், his, அவரது, hers, அவளது, ours, நம்முடையது, theirs, அவர்களுடையது. And there you have it. A quick guide to using pronouns in Tamil through English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these pronouns in sentences to master them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language lessons. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy learning.